On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be taking a walk around one of the most beautiful and famous shrines in Kyoto, the Yasaka Shrine. We start off our adventure with some delicious street food. To our surprise, just after you enter Yasaka Shrine's main gate, you are greeted with delicious street food. Our walk will end at the famous Yasuka Pagoda, Kyoto's oldest pagoda. Yasaka Shrine is considered by locals to be the spiritual heart of Kyoto. People come here for weddings, to bless their newborn babies, pray for love, or just spend some time in these beautiful surroundings. This beautiful, bright, and colorful shrine is one of the city's most popular and famous landmarks. This is the most famous shrine in the Gion area. Once inside, you will have access to many smaller shrines and prayer halls. With the lovely lanterns illuminated at night, it is recommended to walk through the shrine in the evening. Yasaka Street is a famous, iconic, and historical street. It is also considered one of the most photogenic spots in Kyoto. This historic area is an amazing place to walk around and a perfect place to experience traditional old Kyoto. You will see narrow lanes, wooden buildings, and traditional shops, giving you the feeling of the old city. This area is one of the city's best preserved historic districts. The streets are lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. Some retain their traditional design and sell local specialities. Don't forget to also visit Yasuka Pagoda. This is the oldest pagoda in Kyoto. Yasuka Pagoda is just a short walk from Yasaka Shrine. It was burnt, destroyed, and rebuilt many times over the years. Don't miss the opportunity to climb up the inside of the oldest pagoda in Kyoto. From the second floor, you will have an amazing view over the beautiful city of Kyoto. Yasuka Pagoda is located in one of the most famous areas of Kyoto. There is so much to see and explore, and is well known for its geisha district, traditional streets, and festivals. You could easily spend a whole day visiting Yasaka Shrine, Yasuka Pagoda, the surrounding temples, shrines, shops, and cafes along the way. This is a place you can visit many times and always discover something new. I would definitely recommend putting this place on your top things to do in Kyoto.